Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change windshield wipers on a Toyota Avalon. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel. It's crucial to have the correct size blades for your specific vehicle model, typically 26 inches for the driver's side and 19 inches for the passenger side. Laying a towel on your windshield is a smart move. It protects the glass from accidental scratches if the wiper arm snaps back. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer. Now, let's remove those old, worn-out blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Next, look closely at where the blade meets the arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade straight off the arm's hook. Once the blade is detached, gently lower the bare wiper arm back down onto the towel you placed earlier. This prevents the metal arm from hitting and potentially cracking your windshield. With the old blade removed, installing the new one is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm, pushing it firmly until you hear a distinct click. This click confirms that the blade is securely locked into position. Give the blade a gentle tug to double-check its attachment. Once you're confident, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other side. Before you hit the road, let's do a quick final check. Make sure both new wiper blades are securely attached and can move freely without obstruction. Then, turn on your vehicle and test the wipers using your windshield washer fluid. Observe how they clear the glass. They should provide a streak-free view. Remember, regularly inspecting your blades for cracks or tears helps maintain clear visibility. Replacing them every 6 to 12 months, or as soon as you notice streaking, is a good practice for safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.